Today we have the 2022 Vauxhall Corsa 1.2 litre turbo. Now this turbo does indeed pack a punch in this vehicle, and this does also come to you with 16,000 miles on the clock. Now as well as that, this does also come to you with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, hands-free cooling, and also voice assist. So just showing you around the vehicle now, we do have this lovely sporty upholstery inside this Corsa. As well as that, the two front seats are indeed heated. You do get a reversing camera in here as well. So as we come into the driver's seat, I will just show you some of the conveniences. The chair, it does also come with lumbar support and massaging, as you can see. Many different modes here. We do go through our audio, satellite navigation, hands-free cooling, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay there for you, and a couple of other vehicle functions such as turning on and off the traction control, sport mode, lane departure assist as well down there as well for you, and an electric handbrake. And I will just pop into reverse just to show you we do have reversing cameras on here as well.